Hi guys, this is the park and here is a vulture and I'm trying to get closer so then you guys can see. Hope I am trying to be quiet as much as possible. Hope I won't scare this cute bird. Wow, I actually haven't seen one from closer. I don't know. Sometimes they can attack you too. Okay, I will try not to go closer. So, yep, this is how. Seems like a friendly one. So, I'll sting full zoom. So if you don't zoom, and this is how it looks over the sides, and people are actually crazy. Like so many people like going crazy just to see them. There is a full group, and also there is a yeah, so many. Well guys, I'm gonna say bye to this cute vulture.